Good afternoon. I want to start today by asking you a very personal question. How many of you have ever felt unheard, unseen, or unappreciated in your organization? Raise your hands, please. Look around. You're not alone. In fact, when cultures fail, they fail slowly. Employees stop asking questions, meetings go silent, and the energy of the room leaves before anyone does first. Allow me to tell you a personal story about when I felt unseen or unheard. When I was 8 years old, my parents came to the United States of America. I didn't speak one word of English. During that first year, I sat in the back of the classroom. No one to talk to, unseen and unheard. On the playground, I was all alone. But it was during that time that I learned to observe, to see what many could not see, and hear what others were missing. That was my first leadership lesson. Leadership does not start when you speak up or ask a question. It begins when you feel the pulse of your organization and notice and hear what many miss. Let's talk about the amazing things of what AI can do for us today. One-of-a-kind dashboards. AI can even read the tone of your emails. In fact, it can simulate empathy. But what AI cannot do is sit across from a disengaged employee, connect with that employee, rebuild trust, and lead with heart. Here's the commitment I want you to make today. Think about one employee in your organization that is quietly fading, becoming disengaged. Reach out to them today. Make that commitment. Because leadership is not about what AI can do for us. Leadership is about leading with heart. And that's the heartbeat of the organization.